Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the Vudu app on the Roku device, including selecting chapters and turning on captions. From the home page, go over to the right to Vudu and click OK to select. Once Vudu opens, you want to arrow over to the right in that top menu until you get to My Vudu. Then click down to the next menu and go over to Movies or TV Shows, browse by genre, or just search with the arrows. Let's scroll down and look at our movies. When I find a movie I'm interested in, I can click OK to get more info and click OK again to start watching. Now I'm going to show you how to select chapters while you're watching a movie. While the movie is playing, hit the down arrow. And then go to the left to the Chapters button and push OK. Now you have a menu of chapters. Scroll to the one you want, click OK, and the movie will start playing from that point. Now I'm going to show you how to turn on captions. While you're watching a movie, press down to get to the menu. Go over to the right to the Captions button, press OK, arrow up to the language, and click OK again. Thanks for watching. Check out some of our other informational videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.